This 2023 Winnebago View 24 volts is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Winnebago is 25 feet 6 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleep 6, oven, spare tire kit, refrigerator, slide-out, LP detector, Colorado detector, awning, stove top burner, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2023 Winnebago View 24 volts is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.